Hi, I'm Megan. Today we're going to talk about glass fusing. This is one of my personal favorite projects. You'll start by picking a base. You'll choose from the square or the circle. You'll select from a range of colored glass pieces that you'll design and place onto the base, and then we will take them down to our kilns and fire them, which causes the glass to melt into the glass plate. We have 3 different types of fusion. We have our tack, which maintains the integrity of the glass pieces that you glue onto your base. We also have the contour, which is going to be that middle ground. And then we have the full, which is fully melted into the glass. Another thing you can do to customize your piece even further is called slumping. What we'll do is we'll put it into a mold, and you can shape it into either a plate, a bowl, or a vase. We'll give you this form to make all of your selections and review it with you at the end of your project. And then after 2 weeks, you'll be able to pick it up after it's complete.